What is up? Good morning from the Midwest. This is the morning after the snowstorm that hit a lot of the Midwest, Iowa, Illinois, Minnesota, northern Missouri, swooping west now. We're kind of done with it, but this is what we got. I think they said about 10 to 12 inches. Hey, look at this. My foot. Yeah, this is insane. The sidewalk isn't even plowed. Like, look at this snow drift. Look at this stuff. It's insane. It ain't that cold out. Well, I think Midwesterners always defend the weather. Like, oh, it wouldn't be so cold out if the wind wasn't blowing. You know? And that's just, we kind of defend the weather, make ourselves feel better. But yeah, just a little update on the weather. I think it's supposed to snow again tomorrow, but not as much. But yeah, look at this. That's insane. First snow. All right, guys, you take it easy. We'll see you again. See ya.